In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a file in a GitHub repository. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. Here, I have saved my GitHub account web page in the bookmarks bar so that I can log in easily. Let's click on it. On the website, make sure you are logged into your account. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Profile. In the top left menu, click on Repositories. Here, you will be able to access all the repositories that you have added or created. Open a repository from here. In my case, I will select the Audio GPT repository. Here, you should see many folders that contain the internal files of the repository. Open the folder that contains your file by clicking on its name. In my case, I will open the Assets folder. Open the file that you want to delete. In the top right corner, click on the three-dot icon. In the drop-down, click on Delete File. Now click on Commit Changes. In the pop-up, you need to give a description for deleting this file. Type Delete Message here. Make sure that the Commit Directly to the Main Branch option is turned on. Now click on Commit Changes. Your file has been deleted successfully. Following these steps, you can delete a file in a GitHub repository.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.